Are you cooking, Mish?
I'm cooking eggs.
Eggs? Where are the eggs?
Inside here.
Oh, can I see?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. What's this here? Wow, that's for our breakfast, isn't it?
It's so squishy. Don't ever break it.
Let me see how squishy it is. Whoa.
Now
I
it's
squish it like that. What are you cooking in here?
There's nothing.
It's nothing? Well, let's find something then.
Okay.
How about we get something from here? What's that?
That's mushroom.
Mushroom. Okay.
That's a piece of bread.
That's a piece of bread. What's this?
That's a cheeseburger for mommy.
A cheeseburger for me. Really?
Eat it.
Mmm. Delicious.
Oh, I can cut vegetable here.
Oh, okay. You want to cut some vegetables?
Yep.
Let's do it. So what are you cutting now? What is that?
Watermelon.
A watermelon. Can I see?
It has lots of seed flowers.
Lots of seeds in it. Oh yeah, I see it. What else you got?
I will cut cheeseburger.
Okay. Can I see?
It
Where's your cut?
has a sprinkle on it.
Sprinkles. Those are sesame seeds, I think.
Oh, a cheese.
Ooh.
Just a cheese.
It's melting.
And what I got? Egg. No. Carrot.
Carrot.
I got carrot.
What's that?
Carrot.
Let me see.
There's some green thing. And I'll put it here.
Okay.
And this one is a carrot. And I'll put it here.
Okay.
This here.
What you got?
Eggs.
Whoa. Let me see. It's an egg. It is. So your breakfast is complete. How about some bread? Do we have some bread?
Yeah.
We do? Where's our bread?
Here.
So that's my toast bread
Yeah.
for breakfast. How many slices are you gonna cut?
I'll cut a lot.
You cut a lot?
There's one.
Wow. Two.
One piece. And there's one piece for you.
So how many do we have now?
We have a lot. 1, 2, 3.
3 pieces. Can I put the egg on it?
Yep. I'll put egg for you.
So I have egg sandwich. Thank you. What is that, Mish?
Eggplant.
Eggplant. Oh, let me see it. Oh yeah, that's an eggplant. Okay, let's cut it.
I'll cut it.
Yep. All right. There it is. We got so much food already. Look at that. Do we have anything else there?
Yep.
Let's see. Is it a cabbage?
Yep.
What is it?
Cabbage.
Cabbage. Let's cut it. Okay. Wow, that is good. Anything else? How about the corn?
This one, hot dog.
What is it?
Hot dog. Hot dog.
hot dog.
I'll cut it.
Okay. Don't cut your foot.
Okay, sorry.
There's the hot dog.
Found tomato. That's not tomato.
That's a potato.
Tomato.
Potato.
Potato.
Potato. Can we get it too?
Yeah.
Oh, that's hard, huh? There we go. What you got me?
Corn.
It's a corn. You gonna peel it?
Yeah.
Let me see.
With my knife.
Oh, with your knife?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Got it. You got corn.
Yeah. I did it.
You want me to try it? It's sweet. What you got there now, Mish?
Lemon.
It's lemon. Wow. Let's cut it. Is it sour?
Yeah.
Let's try.
Now we try it.
Now I'm gonna try it too. Eee, that is so sour. What's this, Mish?
Banana.
That's banana. Can you peel it? First.
With my hand. Okay, I'll cut another one. I got it.
You got it. Okay.
Can you see a banana?
Let me see it. It's good too. Look at all those foods we have here. What do we have here?
I have a strawberry.
Whoa! Let's have some strawberries then.
I'll cut that for you, okay?
Okay.
One.
All done?
But the egg is done.
The egg is done.
And that is just so hot.
Is it hot?
Yeah.
Oh!
I'll put some tomato sauce for you.
Thank you. Okay, that's all our foods. Well, thank you for cooking breakfast for us, Mish. I think I'm gonna eat it now.
Yeah.
So, are you gonna say bye to your friends? Bye, friends.
Bye, friends.
See you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.